Hello everybody, this is Maverick 2525 and today we are on the Tdm'S. He created all this. Well, today we are going to be able to... Okay, 1 minute. Dan's face. Yep. So what we're going to start doing is placing TNT everywhere. There's going to be a lot of that, and probably like to see an outline of his head. And yeah, that's going to be... Oops. Oh no. This is going to be part 1 and 2 of videos. I'm going to be blowing up Dan's face. Oh no, that block doesn't need to be there. Okay. So I'm just gonna be like doing this on the introduction and just like doing half of it, and next video doing the other half, and just like the next video, the next half, and the explosion and the aftermath. Wait, did you see that block glitch out? Did you? Say it in the comments below if you did. That was a bit weird. Sorry, Dan, but I'm gonna have to do this for the viewers. Dan, if you're watching this, I'm talking specifically to you. I'm sorry. I love your videos, but this is just for viewers. Because hopefully they'll like this video, because blowing up his face. Because that's just going to be fun. I tried doing it with Notch. Where's Notch? Notch is over there, but then if you've noticed, he's got some glowstone lamps on his head. So I didn't see that, and I placed it right on top. And it just kind of blew up his head before I wanted it to. So yeah, sorry Dan. I'm gonna have to blow up your face. If you want to write in the comments below, if you're watching this, that I'm sorry. I'm just gonna say I'm sorry. This is gonna hurt you. That's his face. Maybe I should just draw his mouth here. Just look like he's some sort of frog like. I like that melon guy. He's pretty cool, but he's like that. See his eyes and stuff. So. This is going to take longer than I thought it would. Because I'm just, saying, oh, I'm blowing up someone's head. Can't take too long. And I've already taken a whole day. Doing it with Notch was pretty rubbish. Yeah, I'm disappointed with myself. Team Skills. Part of Team Skills, everybody, yay. Team Skills is epic. Do videos all the time. We're gonna upload them soon. We haven't found out a channel because someone's already called Team Skills. Never actually seen them think they do Minecraft videos. Okay, so that's the side of his head done. It's not gonna take that long. Whoa, glitching out again. This mouse. No, not that one. I need to keep that one. This is gonna be good. Maybe I should just do his goggles as well. I'm doing his goggles. I know you love your goggles, Dan. I know you do. But they're gonna have to be blown up as well. Oh, my back's hurting with this. This is gonna be really fun. Maybe I should do videos of blowing up everyone's faces. That's gonna be cool. Yeah, I should do that to get more views and stuff. I'm actually gonna do one video, not just like 2 videos. So yeah, just one video. Yeah, because it's not gonna take that long. Then we're just gonna look at it from like a height. I've actually got loads of mod showcases that I haven't uploaded yet. Yep, Emerald Enderman. You wanna email me? emeraldenderman@gmail.com. I play Mineplex. I think I do anyway, I don't know. I play Mineplex in my spare time. I don't know if I really want to show you. If I just play it now, I'm not going to show you. So yeah, let's just take a look. Let's just look at his head now. No, I haven't done it. It's the top. It's the top. I'll just do where I haven't done TNT yet. Oh, extra TNT. See what his face looks like now after this. This is a pretty long video. How long have I been recording for? How long? 8 minutes. 8 minutes. That's not really a long video. So it just takes. I was about to place down the lever then. That would have been wrong, wouldn't it? So I'm gonna do lots of videos, just blowing everyone's faces, including, I'm sorry, Dan. Dr. Trios. I'm gonna have to blow up Dr. Trios' face, including his big long nose. Yes, I'm sorry. Everyone who loves Dr. Trios. I know everyone that loves Dr. Trios, who is everyone loves Dr. Trios. Come on, say in the comments, do you love Dr. Trios? I know I do, but I'm gonna have to explode his face and his head and basically everything that he is. I love my skin. My skin's pretty cool. Emerald Enderman. Emerald eyes. I'm an Enderman. Okay. This is gonna be huge. Okay. So this is the aftermath of what's gonna be happening. This is just how much I've used about. Like, I don't know how much because I'm not in survival, but I use quite a lot. And dun 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 dun. Just comment below right now. Oh yeah. What? Oh yeah, you gotta have like a block. Okay, I'm ready. Comment now in. Okay, I'm just just gonna leave you for a minute to comment below what you think it's gonna look like. Go. Oh yeah, doing him, his glasses are still gonna be there, but that's okay. That's okay. So a lot of people have obsidian in their eyes. I'm just gonna blow up the heads anyway, and I'm back. Yep. Okay. So you should have commented by now, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's one gone off. Oh man! Oh my! Oh lag. Oh my! I don't think I need to blow up Dr. Triris's head. Everyone else seems fine, but Dan does not. Well, goodbye. This was good.